Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restore the deleted messages on your iPhone 15 Pro Max, and we've got actually two ways how to do this. And first of all, just open the messages, and if you delete like this message, you've got the first option to click on the edit, and here show the recently deleted, and here we can find this message, so we can click to recover for messages, and as you can see it appears back. But when you delete right here and also remove it from the recently deleted. Okay, so let's get rid of that. Click done, and right now what you have to do is just open the settings, and I'm going to show you step by step. So here we are, we have to open our Apple ID, and then we have to go for the iCloud, and here, okay, click continue, never mind. We have to click here to show all apps that are using the iCloud, and we have to find the messages. As you can see, in my case it's turned off, so we have to turn it on. Now just wait a little bit, and then try to go back to the messages, and as you can see, this message is back. So that's my two ways how you can restore deleted messages on your iPhone 15 Pro Max. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.